I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're seeing a transfer pending on your Chase account, follow these steps to resolve it. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Chase account and navigate to the Activities section. Look for the pending transfer to see if there are any alerts or messages regarding the delay. Step 2. Verify account information. Ensure that the account numbers and details for both the sending and receiving accounts are correct. A simple typo can cause a transfer to be held up. Step 3. Confirm transfer limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact customer service. If the transfer is still pending after checking the above, call Chase customer service. They can provide specific details about why the transfer is delayed. Step 5. Wait for processing. Sometimes transfers can take a few hours to process. If you've reconfirmed everything is correct, give it some time before taking further action. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfer issues with Chase. Don't hesitate to reach out to customer support if you need further assistance.